guys, today we are going to be drawing a cute bunny for Easter. So we're going to start off by drawing a rounded head shape. This is kind of like an elongated circle. And I'm sketching this really lightly in pencil and not starting with Sharpie because you cannot erase marker. Now for the nose, I'm going to do a cute little heart. And then I'm going to do a J and a backwards J for the mouth. Kind of like two little fish hooks. Now to make my bunny really cute, I'm going to put two large eyes lower on the face, slightly above the nose. And when you are drawing cute figures, you want to have large eyes, large head, and a smaller body. Now you want to make sure your eyes are pretty even, so I'm just going to adjust these a little. Inside each eye, I'm going to draw a circle for a pupil. This is the black part of the eye. And above each pupil, I'm drawing another circle for the iris. This is the colored part of the eye. Now I do need to adjust this eye because I did not leave quite enough space for the white of the eye, which as you can see in the left eye, I'm leaving a little sliver of white. Now that I've adjusted my eyes and they look pretty even, I'm going to be adding two little circles inside each pupil for the highlights. Now for a little style, I'm going to be adding a thick line with eyelashes on the edge of each eye. Now, if you'd rather not do eyelashes on yours, that's fine. I just like to thicken the edge line for a little bit of style. Now I'm going to go ahead and darken in the inside of the eyes, making sure not to color in those two little circles that I left for highlights. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do the ears. So for this ear, I'm going to make a long curved line that curves back down into the head. And the other ear, I'm actually going to have curve or flopping down. So I'm going to draw my line and curve it down. Then I'm going to have the ear pull back up and have a line coming from underneath it back down into the head. Now I'm going to draw two lines for the inner part of the ear. And then I need to erase where the headline is, where my ear overlaps. I'm going to go ahead and do that in my other ear as well. And then also draw the two lines for the inner ear. All right, for the body, I'm going to draw a little bit smaller than the head, and I'm actually going to start with the feet. So for the feet, I'm going to have the bunny sitting down, and you can see the bottom of the feet. I start with a flat line and a curved shape that goes outward. And then I'll have the little hands coming from behind the feet. So I have these two C-shaped lines and a line that curves from the foot into the head to show the arms. Now to connect the feet on the bottom, I'm going to put one curved line between them and add a couple little lines for the paws. Now, since we're looking at the bottom of the feet, I'm going to draw three little circles for the toes and an oval for the bottom of the foot. And I finished my pencil drawing. So now I'm going to take a marker and outline all of my pencil lines, adjusting anything that I think needs fixing. This step is called trace and erase. Once you're done tracing everything and adjusting your lines, you want to take an eraser and erase any pencil lines that are left behind. Now I'm ready for color. For the nose and the other areas, I'm going to be using pink and red. So I'm using red as an outline along one edge of each shape, and I'm filling the rest in with pink. For the eyes, I'd like to make a yellow-green shade. So first I'm coloring yellow, adding a little light green over it, and mixing that in. I'm going to use that same red and pink layering in for the inside of the ears. And the final step is to use purple as a shadow or a shaded edge on each edge of the bunny. This helps to add a little bit of three-dimensionality to my bunny shape. And there it is, our adorable little bunny.